in the very first month that I was using what I learned, I manifested an entire human being, the most beautiful girl I've probably ever dated. And it was done with such ease. I was just having fun with it. So, Nick, thank you. Can't wait for the next call.
Literally 2 weeks ago, out of nowhere, I got a cheque for £75,000. And then I got, well, out of nowhere again, £300,000 has been left to me. And this is all within 3 months of joining the Power Manifesting Collective. But the biggest thing for me is that I don't even care what else shows up. I'm just having fun. And that is the key thing that I have learned. And it's made such a difference to my life. So thank you so much, Nick.
Since joining 9 months ago, I've manifested a total of 18,000 euros. But the money is nothing compared to the freedom I feel inside. You've helped me change my life for the better. And I am a new man. Raising my glass for you here. Many thanks, brother.
I'm stepping into the new paradigm and it's just amazing. I mean, I love gaining clarity. I love expanding. I love knowing. I love the feeling of freedom that I get every time I release an old belief or perspective. And I think thank you is just not enough. But thank you a million, Nick. You've changed my life.
Exactly a week after doing a session around my split energy in relationships, I manifested my ideal partner. And for the first time ever, it feels safe to be loved.
Okay, so I've been practicing the law of attraction for a decade, but since becoming a collective member, I've seen so many miracles around me, I can't keep track. Life has become breathtakingly beautiful. I feel like I'm free from a cage I didn't even know I was in.
Nothing compares to this. It really is the law of attraction on steroids.